In this video, I'll show you how to change your profile name from the right back to the bottom and switch your photo grid from rectangular back to square. Now if you're wondering how to do that, then this video got you covered. But I want you to remember that the changes you're currently seeing are the latest changes from Instagram. But if you want to go with the old style, then follow every step shared in this video. And if you find this guide useful, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tricks and tips. With that being said, let's dive in. Now for you to change your name, open your Instagram application. Then tap on your profile icon here at the bottom right corner. As you can see, currently the name is on the right. Now for us to change it to the bottom, click on edit profile. Then tap on name. Now make sure you clear your name, as you can see. Then make sure you tick here at the top right corner. Confirm change name. Then go back to edit profile. Then select bio. Now type in your Instagram name. Then make sure you tick that here at the top right corner. Now when you go back to your home page and refresh your page, you'll be able to see that your name is now at the bottom. Now for you to change your photo grid layout, choose a post that you want to adjust. So I'll select this post. After doing that, now click on those three dots here at the top right corner. Now select adjust preview. So now you can change from fit to fill to achieve the square layout. Additionally, you can add a background color of your photo. So after confirming that, click on that tick sign in the top right corner. Now when you go back to your home page, you'll notice that you have changed your photo grid layout from rectangular back to square. So that's for today's video. So find this guide useful, leave a like, share the video and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.